Hello, my name is Sara and I'm the creator of Sewing Therapy. Today, I'm delighted to demonstrate how you can revitalize a plain garment with one simple addition, a patch pocket. And if you want to exercise your creativity even more, I will also be showing how you can easily create a unique patchwork pocket using fabric scraps. So grab an old shirt from the back of your closet and join me in this fun and easy sewing project. Let's get started! To begin, try laying out your fabric scraps in various combinations to create your patchwork design. Smaller pieces tend to work better for this. Once you're happy with your layout, divide the sections into columns. Pin the pieces right sides together and sew. Press the seams open to reduce the bulkiness of the seams. Pin the columns right sides together and sew. Press the seams open and neaten the seams by top stitching. These top stitches also add a quilted effect to the patchwork. Instead of top stitching, you can use fusible lightweight interfacing to neaten the wrong side. Now it's time to make the pocket shape. You can get as creative as you like with this step. This is my handmade Gilbert shirt dress. I want to give it a new life today. To see what the final pocket will look like, create a window by cutting out the inside of your mock pocket. I made a few different mock pockets for this project. Fiddle around with the placement, and when you have your desired pocket, trace it, adding a seam allowance. Then cut. It's easier to fold and press the pocket using the mock pocket as a guide. If you have a serger, you can finish the edge with your serger, then sew a straight stitch. Otherwise, sew the top edge using a zigzag stitch to keep the edge neat. Using your mock pocket as a guide, fold the other edges and press. Folding and pressing rounded edges can be difficult. So let me show you a little trick. Baste the rounded edges using your longest stitch, leaving long tails at the beginning and the end. Gently pull the thread tails and the rounded edge will naturally curl in. Create your desired rounded shape and give your pocket a good press. Here's a result, a pocket with smoothly curved edges. Now it's time to attach the pocket to your garment. After pinning, you can use a water-soluble pen to mark a sewing line as a guide. This guide is especially helpful when creating triangles or rectangles at the beginning and the end of the seam. Reinforcing the top of the pocket helps strengthen the opening and conceals any unsightly seams. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use pins, which can create holes in delicate fabrics, you can use fabric tape to attach the pocket prior to sewing. When top stitching, use a longer stitch length for a neater look. Here's a finished pocket ready to hold small treasures while adding character to this plain shirt. The seams are hidden, which keeps this pocket looking neat and professionally finished. I hope you have been inspired to experiment with sewing a few scraps together into works of art that can be displayed on your garments. This is a fun and practical way to exercise your creative muscles, and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me on first episode of Sewing School for CBC Life. Until next time, 안녕!